This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. If you're looking for a great truck at a great price, check out this 2021 Chevrolet Colorado Crew Cab WT Custom Special Edition loaded with the convenience package. Really nice truck, lots of great equipment. Around back, corner assist steps, easy up, easy down tailgate, bed liner, bed mat, trifold tonneau cover. Backup camera, locking tailgate, factory tow package. Really sharp 18-inch alloy wheels with a brand new set of tires. Ample room for your rear seat passengers. They also have the convenience of charging their devices with a 12-volt outlet. It's satin steel gray metallic with dark ash interior. Tinted windows, color keyed door handles, color keyed mirror caps, factory step bars. Just as clean inside as it is out. It's also equipped with keyless entry, bucket seats, power seat, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, automatic headlights, trip computer functions, tilt wheel, cruise control, 95,000 well cared for local trade-in miles, touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Bluetooth, backup camera, heating and air controls, traction control, cargo lights, tow haul mode, USB ports, auxiliary audio jack, another 12-volt outlet, console shifter, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, and OnStar located in your rear view mirror. If you'd like to know more about this 2021 Chevrolet Colorado Crew Cab, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.